Introducing the Matson AE12000E workshop battery charger and power supply. Primarily designed for charging lead acid and lithium batteries with the capability of providing up to 120 amps as a continuous power supply. With 4 different operating modes, this ensures you are covered for all scenarios. In charging mode, the AE12000E is a smart charger that charges batteries efficiently and effectively. It can charge a wide range of 12-volt batteries from 2 amp hour all the way up to 1000 amp hour, suitable for most modern day battery chemistries such as flooded lead acid, AGM, gel, VRLA, including lithium. In replace battery mode, the AE12000E can act as a 30 amp memory minder to ensure settings and codes are maintained whilst the battery replacement. In power supply mode, the AE12000E supports up to 120 amps of continuous current, which can be crucial for later model vehicles that may require a higher constant stable current during the reprogramming procedure of ECUs as well as performance tuning. In showroom mode, this feature is for when vehicles are stored for extended periods of time to ensure batteries are maintained and can keep the vehicle electronics running safely without the worry of a failing battery. Producing 50 amps continuously with no fan on, this unit can go unnoticed, which is perfect in scenarios that you don't want to hear a fan running in the background and can fit perfectly under a car in your showroom. Featuring a straightforward LCD display, operating the product is effortless, ensuring ease of use for all users. Equipped with heavy-duty 45-degree alligator clamps for superior quality, achieving the perfect connection is a breeze, guaranteeing reliable performance every time. Experience exceptional quality and user-friendliness with our AE12000E battery charger. Pick up our Matson battery charger and power supply today.